Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of x to the power of 2 plus 1 over x plus 1 everything to the power of 2 multiplied with x minus 2 dx. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. In this situation, we can use about partial fraction. So in here, we can separate them into a over x plus 1, and then we have b x plus 1 to the power of 2, and c that is about x minus 2. Now we do common denominator back to for this denominator in here. So we get the same one, x plus 1, so we just have x plus 1 multiplied with x minus 2. About b, we just have x minus 2. About c, let's see about x plus 1 to the power of 2. Now we need to arrange. So we have x squared and x squared, so we put about a plus c. About x, we have negative a, positive b, 2c. About number 1, we have negative 2a, negative 2b, and 1c. Now let's compare about this one. So as you can see that this is about coefficient number 1, so we can create the system of equations. So in here we have number 1, so we put about a plus c equals to number 1. This one go to 0, and this one go to number 1. We saw this, and we got about we got 4 over 9. Minus 2 over 3 and 5 over 9. So now we can answer. A is about 4 over 9. B is about negative 2 over 3. And C is about 5 over 9. Now we can get the final result. The integral of 1 over x plus 1 is about 4 over 9 multiplied with logarithm by e of absolute value of x plus 1. The integral of 1 over x plus 1 to the square. So that's it about 2 over 3, and we have x plus 1. That is similar. And that is the final result. That's the end. Thank you for watching.